shout out to Derry, man, and all his music and everything he's doing. It's all about supporting on MX24 TV. Rising artists, because, the biggest artists you see today, came from a certain somewhere to who they are today. Send us messages, MX24 TV, hashtags MX Live. And I have another artist, who is steadily rising. Daboy Kenzy.
Broski.
How you doing, man?
I'm
Bro,
good.
you swagged out.
I'm good.
Sheesh, I need a jacket. See, my boys, I don't need a jacket, You see how my team is. Anyways, bro, I'm very happy to have you here. Unfortunately, we don't have too much time, but the thing is, you have music, right? You're an artist, obviously.
Yeah.
You have music, which you're going to get into. But as we're talking off air, you said that you are taking a little break from your music, right? First of all, how many years have you been in music professionally?
Okay, so professionally, I would say I've been doing music for 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
Okay, how did it start for you? Was it always music, Was it in a church?
Okay, so personally, I would say I'm from a music home or a music house because my mom used to be a chorister.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So she introduced me to a certain sound, like the lives of Nana Purdue, the lives of Akon.
Yeah, okay.
I used to listen to a lot of different genres, like a lot of music.
Yeah.
So from there, I think music was something that was like clanging in my head.
Okay.
So
I'm sure she wasn't surprised when you decided to, or was she?
Oh, okay. I don't think she was surprised.
Okay.
Because let's say I've had that passion for music ever since. Even when I was in school, I used to go back home to record songs. And I can't remember. I don't know if my teacher is watching this video. This show. Whenever I come back to school, he'll be like, "Yo, Charlie, what could show about? I also with this kaba, so I say."
Wow, your teacher?
Yeah.
That's a cool guy.
Yeah,
then.
he was a cool guy.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
My teacher he go knock you.
Oh, yeah.
He go knock you.
Oh,
that's a really cool guy. So all these little things, contributed to you deciding to do this professionally, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I said 3 years now.
Yeah.
How's the response been? Would you say personally?
Okay, I would say growth. Because, right now looking at my catalog, when I started, it wasn't like, the numbers wasn't like encouraging that much. But right now I can see growth. I can see people really love what I'm doing.
Nice.
So yeah.
Nice.
I need to work more.
Nice. It's good that you do introspection to see and gauge your growth. But you said you took a year off.
Yeah.
Why was that? Was it for personal reasons, for business reasons? You decided to do that?
Okay, actually, personally, I would say I went through some of the darkest time in my life.
Oh.
I mean, taking time from music.
Oh.
Like I was going through a lot, And due to the love that I have for my fans, I can't stop the music right now. So I just paused for a while.
How did you get out of those times, though?
I'm someone that I'll be very determined person, and for the passion that I have for music, I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in what I'm doing. So regardless, whatever that will happen, I just need to keep going.
Yeah, keep it moving.
Today it will happen, but I'll just be like, oh, well, it is what it is.
That's a tough mindset. Yeah. That's a very, very strong mindset.
People that know me know that what I'm saying is true.
Yeah.
Because
what was the darkest moment, would you say, for you? Is this something you care to share?
For now, I think I don't really want to talk more about my story.
Okay.
I want people to listen to my songs, listen to who Daboy Kenzy is, feel my tunes, understand the message in the song.
Yeah, I'm sure with time you might decide to open up, because these things that we talk about, you might inspire somebody somewhere. But for the fact that today you said that, or you've acknowledged, right, that you went through something and you got out of it, that alone, I'm sure it's going to help somebody else. So hopefully with time. So you go through those periods, you come out back to the music. Is that the song that you dropped that we're going to talk about?
No.
Or did you drop some music before this one we're going to talk about?
No, lately I have a new song that's titled Body.
Body?
Yeah, Your Body.
Charlie, whose body is that? Who is this? Who
Oh,
is that?
your
The girl
body.
that-
Oh no. Your body song actually is for everyone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear body, no, I assume hips, booty.
Yeah, and the song is also out there to let all women feel confident in their body.
Oh, okay.
as well.
So what's your favorite kind of body on a woman?
Oh, me.
Slim, thick,
Okay, I'll say I like thick girls.
thick girl.
Yeah.
These guys, man, you be in the gym with these ladies.
Yeah.
Okay, you like thick girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so your current girlfriend is a thick girl. On that note, I'm just worrying the brother, man. But
Yeah.
okay, you said you made this song for people to feel comfortable. In this case, is there a video for it? Is there an official music video?
Actually, we don't have official video for it, but I have the official audio on YouTube.
Okay, there's an official audio on YouTube. I think we have that. So we're going to play at the end of this interview. But how's the response been to Body, man?
Okay, so let me say, me taking a break from me doing music for I was kind of thinking like, are people going to accept this? Like, are people going to accept me back? Because it's been a while since I released a song, and people really jam into the song, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
So you were pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, I was very surprised.
Okay.
Really like, bro.
Nice one. I mean, that's what it's about, right? You just put it out there. One thing I say is, always focus on the output, not the outcome. Because the outcome is up to the people. They're going to do whatever they want with it.
Exactly.
But, in the art, sometimes you want to attain perfection. And that actually affects the art. Because not everybody's also going to love it. Yeah. So I always say, focus on the output, the amount of energy you put into it. God will handle the outcome. So it's good to see that, you're going to a good place to release the song. And it's good to see it's having a good response. Yeah. As you're saying, it's on all platforms. People can find it.
On all platforms.
And buy it.
Everywhere.
Okay, are we going to get a music video for it?
Yeah, sure, soon.
Bro, I want to see that video, man.
Soon.
I want to see that video. I really want to see that video. And I want
even the cover art of the song, like, is telling you something about the song,
Yo, okay, so you're on a record label, right, with a very close friend of mine. Now, if he doesn't call me for that music video, because I've been asking for months, I want to be in these nice music videos, at least behind the scenes. Yeah. But back to the record label, man. You work with Quabbles, right?
Yeah,
tell us about that relationship, man. Now, Quabbles, he's the CEO of DWP, one of the biggest dance groups in the country. Yeah. How is that relationship working with you guys?
I think I'm a calm person, and Quabbles being a calm person also, like, we actually right now we're moving smoothly, Everything is going on point,
Okay. Okay. It's good to, because I was thinking, DWP, dance, but they work with artists too, and you're now on that label. Are you the only artist on that label?
Actually, I think DJ is also under Quabbles. Yeah.
Okay, DJ is also there. Wow. That's a good guy to have as a label mate, because he's also doing very well, right?
He's also doing well.
Yeah, nice one. So do you dance from time to time, or not?
Okay, actually, I was a dancer way back in school.
Okay.
But right now, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know where all that moves.
Quabbles can help you out. He can get somebody to help you out.
Okay, sure.
But it's cool to see, because Quabbles is also a young guy. It's good to see, a bunch of young people following the dream, chasing, and releasing music the way you want to. One thing I know about Quabbles is he's very open-minded. That's one thing I know about him, right? He really listens.
Trust me.
Right? Whenever I talk to him, I really get that from him. So I wish you guys the best. Can't wait to see the music video for... When is it dropping, man? When is it dropping?
Actually, soon we're working on it, but...
Bro, please work. And make the video very thick and
like,
spicy.
let me talk about this. I feel pain whenever you ask me when are we going to shoot the video.
Tell me why.
Yeah, because this I don't know. Whenever I'm trying to talk about this, like, I feel like this breaking me down, because the guy that used to shoot my videos passed away. I think, yeah.
Oh man.
It's a very tough moment for me. He was very close to me. We do everything together, and it was a whole lot. But we're still working on it.
Condolences, man. Condolences. For those who are alive, the best we can do is continue.
Yeah.
You can't give up.
Yeah, regardless.
Yeah, regardless, right? Because that's the best way to carry on the legacy.
Yeah.
Because if you give up, to some extent, they might feel let down.
Yeah.
So it's good that you're here. It's good that you're, again, there's a lot of acknowledgement there, you know. And, oh, man, condolences.
I really
Can't
want to
imagine
make
how tough
sure
it is.
it happens for him because I know wherever he is, he will smile.
Yeah, amen. And your job is just to work hard and make him happy, man.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
Nice one. So that's even given me more reason to want to see the video. Yeah. I'm sure a lot of people watching this want to see the video even more. Yeah. So yes, as I said, at the end of the interview, we're going to play the song so people can go and find it and buy it. But do you have any shout outs you want to give before you go?
Okay, I would like to give shout outs to my fan base, that's Kenzilians, you know.
Kenzilians?
Yeah. If you be lover of Daboy Kenzy's music, you got a special tag, like you got a special name that you need to be called, and that name is Kenzilian.
Kenzilian. Yeah. Okay.
So shouts to Kenzilians, shouts to my mom, like you know, for always encouraging me. Shouts to my management. Like shouts to everyone, that is in love with my music. Yeah.
Nice one. And shout out to you, man.
Yeah,
shout out to you. Putting in the work, man. I'm sure when you have new music, please bring it through.
Yeah.
Let's chat some more. So like I said, we're going to play his video, his song, you know. Hopefully we get the videos because you know now I really want to see the video. Yeah. As they shoot the video, I won't make you think say, okay, Jason, he go like this or he no go like this. You know what I'm talking about. But I have a shout out to give Ifua Shell. Apparently today's your B-Day. Have a good one. You know, have fun, step out, you know, look fine, post pictures so we can like them. And yes, to everyone who's celebrating, big celebration. Oh, okay. Producer, what's going on? Why can't, oh man. Is everybody seeing this? I'd love to give Ifua Shell a very personal one-on-one shout-out. Can we please work on that? Kenzo, can we give her a shout-out?
What's her name?
Ifua Shell.
Ifua Shell, yeah? Yeah, shouts to Ifua Shell. Is it a birthday or something?
Yeah.
More life to
yeah, but don't give her too much because I'm trying to give her plenty. I'll be back. She might like guys and praise. Man, big salute to you, man. God bless you. God bless Quabbles, UWP, the whole team. I think I should have Quabbles in here soon. I haven't spoken to him on air in a while. So please bring him through.
You said?
Quabbles, bring him through one of these days.
Okay. Yeah. One time,
another guys, time. Nice one. I do have to let you go. Have a very wonderful afternoon. To all the artists we bring on, find them, support the music as much as you can. And to everyone watching again, have a very wonderful day. Salute.